Tyler Robinson has made his first in-person court appearance in the case where he is accused of assassinating Charlie Kirk, and the moment marks one of the most important developments so far. At the center of the hearing is a decision that could shape how the public experiences the trial: whether cameras will be allowed inside the courtroom. A ruling on media access is expected by the end of the month, and legal analysts believe access will likely be granted, though not without restrictions. During the hearing, Robinson showed little visible emotion, though observers noted a brief moment in which he appeared to smile, a detail that quickly drew attention because of the seriousness of the charges. The debate over cameras highlights a larger issue of transparency versus fairness. While the defense argues that media presence could create prejudice and threaten a fair trial, legal experts note that this argument is common in high-profile cases and has been raised many times before. Courts across the United States have previously handled terrorism and organized crime trials in full public view without shielding the proceedings from the American people. In this case, the judge has been described as firm, measured, and highly deliberate, carefully weighing the defendant's due process rights against the public's right to see justice unfold. If media access is approved, it is expected to come with strict limits, including restrictions on photographing the defendant in restraints, capturing defense equipment, or filming sensitive evidence presented in court. Another major concern guiding the judge's approach is avoiding reversible error. Any mistake that leads to an appeal could reopen the case and force the victim's family to relive the trauma all over again. This risk explains why each decision is being made with caution and long-term consequences in mind, as the judge works to ensure the process is both fair and final. At the same time, a separate case has drawn attention as Brian Walsh returned to court for closing arguments after the defense rested without calling a single witness. Legal analysts suggest this strategy reflects the strength of the prosecution's case, which includes evidence of motive, opportunity, and a forensic trail. With no witnesses able to provide an alibi, the defense is relying heavily on reasonable doubt, including the fact that the victim's body was never found. Together, these cases underscore the high stakes involved in courtroom transparency, legal strategy, and the responsibility of the justice system to balance public access with the rights of the accused, ensuring that justice is not only done, but done correctly.